Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. In today's video, we will be continuing with the theory of partnership. Here, XYZ are partners sharing profits and losses equally. The capitals in the business and the partnership firm they hold is 80,000 for X, 60,000 for Y, and for Z it is 40,000. Their personal assets are rupees 20,000, 15,000, and 10,000. Now the extent of their liability in the firm, except to their capitals in the business, how much is the extent of their liability, that is their personal assets 20,000, 15,000, and 10,000 respectively. The next question over here is Sita Geeta, who are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4 is to 1. Meeta, the manager, has to receive the salary of rupees 4,000 per month in addition to the commission of 5% on net profit after charging such commission. Now the profit for the year is 6,78,000 before charging salary. Find out the total remuneration. Remuneration stands for salary plus commission. So here in this question, salary is given to us 4,000 per month. 4,000 into 12, the salary of the manager is 48,000. Now the total profits were 6,78,000. After deducting salary, the profits left over for the distribution are 6,30,000. Now on the 6,30,000, the commission is payable 5% after charging. When after charging point is there, then rate is added to 100 in the denominator. So when we have to take the rate over here, that is 6,30,000 into 5 upon 105. What is 105 and how do we get it? Because it is the case of after charging. In after charging case, we have to take 100 plus rate over here. Okay, so we got a commission of rupees 30,000 from here. Now what is the total remuneration payable to manager? That is 48,000 plus 30,000. The total remuneration payable here is 78,000. The next question, if the partner's capital accounts are fixed, salary payable to partner will be recorded. Now if it is a fixed capital account, then salary payable would be recorded in the current account. Now question is on which side? Because by paying salary to the partner's capital in the business is increasing. By making its provision, the partner's capital in the business is increasing. So when capital increases, it should be credited. So it is the credit side of the partner's current account. How would you close the partner's drawing account? Now partner's drawing account should be transferred to which account? That is their capital account, because it reduces their capital, or it should be transferred to their current account if it is a fixed method followed. And which side? Because here the capital or the current balance would reduce, that's why it should be debit, on the debit side. Then now next one is A and B are the partners. They are entitled to interest on their capital, but the net profit was not sufficient. Then the net profit will be distributed into which ratio? If these options are not given to us, then it would be in their appropriation ratio. Now options are given to us: agreed ratio, profit sharing ratio, capital ratio, or equally. Agreed ratio is not possible. Profit sharing ratio is also not possible because the profits are not sufficient, and it can't even go equally. But their claim in the business is only for the interest on capital. So the capital itself will become the rate of appropriation of their profits. So it is in the capital ratio because IOC was to be paid to them, was payable to them. That's why the net profit will be distributed in their capital ratio. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.